Hey tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to SkyOps Tech. Ever wanted to unlock the full potential of your Ubuntu EC2 instances with premium features like enhanced security, kernel live patching, and extended maintenance? You're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple process of enabling Ubuntu Pro on your Amazon EC2 instance. This is a game changer for production environments, and I'll show you exactly how to get it done step by step. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the AWS EC2 console. We'll start by clicking the Launch Instances button to begin creating our virtual machine. We'll give our instance a name. Let's call it Ubuntu Pro. For the operating system, we'll select the standard Ubuntu Amazon Machine Image, or AMI. Notice that it's free tier eligible, which is great for testing. We'll stick with the T3.micro instance type, which is also part of the free tier. For the key pair, which allows us to connect securely, I'll select an existing one I've already created. Next up are the network settings. I'm going to create a security group and configure it to allow SSH traffic on port 22 so we can connect to our instance remotely. We'll leave the storage at the default 8 GB. Everything looks good, so let's go ahead and click Launch Instance. Great, our instance is now launching. It'll take just a moment. Once it's up and running, we'll click on the instance ID to go to its details page. To connect, we'll click the Connect button, navigate to the SSH Client tab, and copy the provided SSH command. Now I'll open my terminal, paste the command, and hit Enter. It will ask to verify the host's authenticity. I'll type Yes to continue. And we're in. The first thing we should always do on a new instance is update the package repository. Let's run sudo apt update. With the packages updated, we now need to install the Ubuntu Pro client and start the AWS SSM Agent, which will help us manage the instance. We'll run sudo apt install Ubuntu Pro client to install the Pro client, and then sudo snap start Amazon SSM Agent to get the SSM Agent started. Now let's head over to AWS Systems Manager. We'll go to Fleet Manager to see if our instance is registered. As you can see, it's not showing up just yet. That's because our instance needs permissions to communicate with the Systems Manager API. To fix this, we'll go back to our EC2 instance details, click on Actions, then Security, and modify IAM role. I have a pre-configured IAM role with the Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core policy attached, which provides the necessary permissions. I'll select that role and click Update IAM role. Now back in our terminal, we need to restart the SSM agent. We'll run sudo snap restart Amazon SSM Agent. We can verify it's running with sudo snap services Amazon SSM Agent. For the next step, our instance needs to be in a stopped state. Let's go back to the EC2 console, select our instance, and under Instance State, click Stop Instance. We'll wait for it to stop completely. If we check Fleet Manager now, you'll see the instance appears there, but with a connection lost status, which is expected since it's stopped. Now, let's navigate to the AWS License Manager. This is where we'll perform the license conversion. We'll click Start using AWS License Manager and grant the necessary IAM permissions for the service. In the License Manager dashboard, go to License Type Conversions on the left-hand menu and click Create License Type Conversion. For the source, we'll choose Ubuntu LTS. Our stopped instance should now appear in the list. Let's select it and click Next. The destination license will automatically be Ubuntu Pro. We'll proceed to the next step, review the details, and click Convert. The conversion process will now begin. The status shows as in progress. It will take a few minutes to convert to Ubuntu Pro. Finally, we can see the status has changed to Success. Perfect. Now we can start our instance again. Back in the EC2 console, we'll select the instance and click Start Instance. Once it's running, we'll reconnect to it using the same SSH command as before. We're connected again. For the final check, let's run the command Pro status. And there you have it. As you can see from the output, services like ESM apps and kernel live patch are now enabled. This confirms that our EC2 instance is successfully running Ubuntu Pro. And that's a wrap. In just a few minutes, we've successfully upgraded our standard Ubuntu instance to Ubuntu Pro, unlocking a suite of powerful features to keep our system secure, compliant, and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to SkyOps Tech, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future AWS guides. Got questions or a topic you'd like us to cover next? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.